Hey everyone, we're going to do a video how to clean an ice maker. I've had this one for, I believe, over 3 years now, running it basically 24/7. And I clean it about once every month. After some time, you'll see, like inside mine, you just start getting a little bit of coloration on the sides, and you don't want to be drinking mold or anything. So I'm showing you before here. I have a little bit of water left in the bottom. And to start cleaning, we'll show you the steps here in a second. All right, so the first step, have a little bit of water in there and then mix it about 50-50 with some vinegar. The type of vinegar you use doesn't really matter. I just use standard white vinegar. Then we're going to go ahead and turn on the machine and let it run for about an hour. Let it get a lot of ice going through there and just get the vinegar throughout all the system. I've let this run for a couple hours, and as you can see, I have the vinegar ice. You can tell it looks a little different than the normal ice that comes out if you have one of these machines. Now I'm going to be cleaning inside here. We'll show you. What we're going to do is dump out this ice, and then you'll still have some water and vinegar in the bottom. And we're going to wipe it out first, and then we'll go to the next steps. So after we've rinsed the vinegar through, I've taken out the ice tray, and now we're going to go ahead and wipe everything down. A toothbrush is good to wipe off the top metal freezing ports, I guess you could call them. So we'll go in there and go ahead and wipe everything off as much as we can. You can also use the toothbrush to get back into the plastic areas that are harder to reach with a towel. Once you're done with the toothbrush, just take a normal rag of any type, and you're going to want to get back in here and carefully turn off your machine too. I think mine might be trying to move for some reason. Carefully just wipe everything. Let me turn the machine back off. And also down here, you can go into the water. It's got vinegar in it still, so it's all good cleaning solution. Get into these little cracks. You actually may want to unplug your machine. I'm going to do that. For some reason, I keep starting it. In the bottom here, it's kind of hard to see now, but there's this little thing that you can pull out. Let me get it. Pull this out. Rinse it off and wipe it off with the rag, and then wipe also down underneath it, down there. Now you can wait until the water's gone, but I know where this goes, so I can just feel for it, but put this back in, either now or after we drain the water in a second. We want to run clean water through a couple times. I do it about 3 times to, get all that vinegar out. Oh, this is kind of stuck. So we'll empty the water, and then we'll refill it. We'll do that about 3 times, and then we can start using the machine after that. So this is still my second rinse here. Like I said, I'm probably going to do 3 rinses. After that, I'm just going to refill it and let it run like normal. We'll put the ice tray back in when I'm ready to collect ice. I'm going to do that one more refill. Now, if you want to keep this the best, you need to run it 24/7. When it's cold inside, it's going to inhibit the growth of mold or any bad things. If you turn this on and off and just use it here and there, you definitely want to empty it and keep it dry while it's in storage. But if you run it 24/7, I clean this about once a month. This had actually been about 2 months because we were on vacation and we had some other stuff going on. So that's why mine looked a little dirty at the beginning, and now it looks great. So about once a month if you keep it on 24/7, and if you use it sparingly, just make sure to dry it out. Hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. We'll see you all later.